Hello, my dear and lovely students. I'm really happy that I can make something and we will get benefit with this together. Uh, at the same time, I'm really sad that all the schools are closed and uh, we can't see each other there as well. Um, I want to tell you, try to make this holiday uh, great by reading different kind of books to pave the way for your future, hopefully, because maybe you don't have another chance of 20 days holiday at home during the school time. So try to get benefit from the holidays and hopefully very soon the great happiness will happen and we'll all go back to school uh, with a good health. Try to keep and stay healthy, and hopefully, we will see each other soon. And let's get started our lesson. So, first, I want you to open your books at page 86, lesson 1. The title of the page is Have you ever been abroad? Have you ever been uh, somewhere? So this is a question. Been is the past participle of go. Have you ever been? Okay, later we will talk about this inside the other lessons. First thing is let's look at the words and point and repeat. So uh, when I play it, you just point and repeat.
Listening 87. Listen and point.
Town, ocean, volcano, village, oasis, rainforest, capital city, desert, island, cave,
Listen and repeat.
town, ocean, volcano, village, oasis, rainforest, capital city, desert, island, cave.
Good job. Now let's go through the meaning of each one. First one we have town. Town is a place, but not very big and not very small. It's a place with some houses. It's bigger than village and smaller than city. Okay, this is town. Ocean is a place full of water, and the water of ocean is what? Salty. Very good. And we have volcano. Volcano. I think everybody knows what's volcano. You've studied in science, right? Okay, we have village. Village is a small place, usually outside the cities, with few houses and few people. They live there. Oasis is a place surrounded by land, like a place of water surrounded by land, which is the opposite of island. Island is land surrounded by water. We have also rainforest, a place or a forest which was grown by rain, through rain. Okay, we called rainforests. Also, we have capital city. Capital city of France is what? Paris, very good. And the capital city of Britain is what? London, very good. The capital city of Iraq is what? Baghdad, very good. And the capital city of Kurdistan is what? Good job, it's Hawler or Erbil in other words. Desert is a place full of water, right? No, it's not full of water. We don't have water there. Very few sources of water is there. Uh, and the weather is really hot in the deserts. We have also island. You don't say Iceland, it's island. Okay, island. The S is silent. Also, we have cave. Cave. Cave is used like a house before. People went inside and they used like a house, but I don't think now they use it like a house. Cave. We have different kind of caves, by the way. Okay, let's go on. There's a story. Once upon a time, in a very nice city, which was the capital city, we had a town. The town was very nice, uh, and it was near uh, ocean. In this place, in the inside the town, we had a very small and green village. The village was very nice, and it was surrounded by water, or we can say the village was inside an island. In this village, we had a cave, a strange cave uh, near an oasis. So this cave was very strange. No one could go inside the cave. One day, a brother and a sister together, they said, why they talked about the cave. They said, why it is strange? Why nobody could go there? And they planned to ask their questions to their father. This is their father, dad. Okay? Then when dad comes back, here are the questions. Dad, why the cave is strange? Dad told them, my dear and lovely children, this village was a rainforest before. Then it became a desert. Later, the oceans changed their directions and they made the islands, and our village is part of this island. So it was a very short information about our village. But about the cave, it's strange because no one could go there before, and the water is cold outside and it's hot inside the cave. It means when you go inside the cave, step by step, when you go forward, it becomes very hot and you can't continue. Many people try to go there to this cave, but because of the hot water, they couldn't go. The question inside this story is why no one could go inside the cave? This is the question of me for you. This is the question of the children that they want to try to find the answer. What do you think the answer could be? Yeah, think about it. Why no one could go inside the cave? what happened in this cave that made the water what? Very hot. After many days, the children searched. They read many books about this cave in their uh, library and, of course, in school. Then they found out the answer. Do you find the answer too or not? Let's go and see what was the answer. Answer was, oh, because at that time, because before long times ago, it was a place of volcano. That's why still the place is very hot. So, do you get the answer? Why the cave was strange? Because it was a place of what? That's it. Before it was a volcanic place and nobody could go there, but step by step, the volcano changed to a cave with water, but still uh, we can see the signs of the volcano because of the hot water. Still, it's not um, finished. It's still hot, the water, of course. Okay, so let's go on. Lesson part two of lesson one. Uh, I want you to listen and put your finger on it. Let's go on and together listen to it.
Listening 88. Listen and read.
Today we have a special guest. This is Matt Jones, and he lives in our town. But he has been somewhere very exciting. Let's see if you can guess where. Who wants to ask the first question?
Have you ever been to space?
No, I've never been to space.
Have you been to the bottom of the ocean?
No, I haven't.
What about mountains? Have you ever climbed a really high one?
Yes, I have. But I usually climb a special type of mountain. The mountains I climb get hotter as you go up.
I know. Have you climbed a volcano?
Yes, I have. Correct. It's dangerous, so I have to be very careful. Here is a photo at the top of the volcano.
Okay, that's good. So let's see what are they talking about. First, here's the teacher, and this is Mr. Matt Jones. He's a guest. Guest means what? Someone who's coming and visiting your house or your school. Like, for example, if your uncle comes to your house, it means he is a guest. Okay, let's say teacher says what? Today we have a special guest. This is Matt Jones, Mr. Matt Jones, and he lives in our town. So they are in the same place. But he has been somewhere very exciting. Oh, he went to a place which was very exciting. Let's see if you can guess where. Okay, what do you think? He went somewhere, but where? I don't know. Let's go on. Who wants to ask the first question? With Max, he is asking the first question. Have you, go to number two. Have you ever been to space? Matt says, no, I have never been to space. No, not space. Number two. Amy says, Have you been to the bottom of the ocean? Have you go inside the water? No, I haven't. No. So Amy thought that he went to the bottom of the ocean by submarines, but unfortunately the answer was not right. A girl asked, what about mountains? Have you ever climbed a really high one? Oh, Matt says, yes, I have, but I usually climb a special type of mountain. What do we mean by a special type of mountain? Special type of mountain. Let's see, what is it? The mountains I climb get hotter as you go up. Wow, strange. When I go up or when I climb up a mountain, the weather goes colder, not hotter. But here, Matt says, Matt says the weather or the weather gets what? Hotter as you go up. Let's go to picture number 4. I know. Have you climbed a volcano? Oh, he climbed a volcano. Let's see the answer. Yes, I have. Correct. It's dangerous, so I have to be very careful. Here is a photo at the top of the volcano. Here's a photo. Can you see the photo? Where is it? Here's the photo. Yeah. So he went where? He went to the uh, volcanic place, and that's why when he climbed up, the weather got hotter. Okay, now I want you to read it one more time for yourself later, okay? Good job. And I think we've just finished the first lesson, and I will work on the other lessons as well. I will be with you very soon. Thank you very much.